Hi everyone, I'm Steven, the founder of this channel. For our first documentary, we're heading to Alaska with our correspondent, Peter. Enjoy the journey. I'll see you later.
Welcome everyone. Today's special edition focuses on SpaceX and the Golden Dome project.
For decades, it was just a dream. A shield powerful enough to stop weapons traveling faster than 20,000 miles per hour.
Weapons so fast, traditional defenses would never see them coming.
Today, that dream is becoming reality.
United States is building a $175 billion defense network known as the Golden Dome. A fortress combining eyes on the ground with a web of satellites in space. A race against time, ice, and the laws of physics.
Drilling through 30 meters of permafrost, engineers prepare the foundation for the radar towers.
Concrete and steel skeletons rise, forming the backbone of the new radar towers. Thermal piles stabilize the permafrost, ensuring the towers remain solid. At sea, a mobile radar platform patrols, watching for threats from any direction. 60 interceptors stand ready in silos, forming the fist of the shield. SpaceX begins building the heart of the shield, thousands of advanced satellites.
Solar wings are folded with precision, ready to unfurl in space.
Each satellite undergoes harsh testing to survive the journey to orbit.
Falcon 9 rockets carry satellites into orbit, forming the Golden Dome.
After stage separation, satellites begin their journey to their operational orbits.
Satellites wake, deploy solar wings, and link into a laser mesh network. Ion thrusters adjust each satellite to its final operational position.
The fist of the shield, the kinetic interceptor, is ready to strike.
Guardians are lowered into silos, integrated with radar for rapid response.
The first radar towers activate, their eyes scanning the Arctic horizon for threats.
Deep beneath the ice, soldiers control the radar network, the brain of the shield.
Rockets launch satellites into orbit, forming the protective Golden Dome above Earth. The satellites begin their journey to orbit, separating from the rocket with precision.
Satellites adjust their positions using ion thrusters, preparing for the shield network. Satellites link into a laser mesh, creating an unbreakable shield in the sky. The fist of the shield, the kinetic interceptor, is assembled and ready for action. Each Guardian is fully integrated and placed in its silo, ready to defend on command.
Quick reminder, if you enjoy this documentary, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel. Now, let's continue.
Across the Arctic, the shield's eyes now stand watch.
Radar beams sweep the sky, detecting launches within seconds. In Greenland, another radar eye closes remaining blind spots.
Data from multiple continents merges into a single battlefield picture. When commanded, an interceptor launches within seconds.
The interceptor climbs beyond the atmosphere at extreme speed.
In space, the kill vehicle separates and takes control.
Its sensors distinguish real warheads from decoys.
No explosives. Just pure kinetic energy at 10 kilometers per second.
The threat is destroyed before reaching Earth.
Meanwhile, satellite production never stops.
Standardization allows unprecedented manufacturing speed.
Flat-packed satellites maximize each launch.
Launch after launch, the shield grows.
Reusability makes the system affordable at scale. Each launch adds another thread to the net.
Laser links allow instant communication across orbit.
A global mesh forms with no blind spots.
Satellites slowly climb to their final operational altitude.
Over months, the shield becomes complete.
Space and ground systems merge into one network.
Detection, tracking, interception, all automated in seconds.
Thousands of components operate as a single system.
This is defense, rewritten for the space age.
1,000 eyes orbit the planet every 90 minutes. That's insane. Even end-of-life satellites leave no debris behind.
Relentless launch cadence builds resilience.
Reusable rockets are the backbone of deployment.
Beneath the ice, Guardians wait. Above, the shield never sleeps. Ground, sea, space, all connected.
Look at this. A planetary defense system takes shape.
What was once science fiction is now operational reality.
The Golden Dome is online. Watching, waiting, ready.
Unbelievable. Defense now begins in orbit. This is not science fiction.
Here we are. A new era of global defense has begun.
The shield is complete. Powered by factories, not fantasies.
Precision, scale, speed. Silent Guardians protect the planet.
Always watching.
This is the Golden Dome. The future of defense is already here.
Subscribe for more next-generation technology stories.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more documentaries like this. I'll see you in the next video.